Good morning, everybody. This is Teacher Moonjava speaking. I hope everybody is feeling happy and good today. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a big cup of hot chocolate. It's going to be a quick lesson, and it's going to be very easy and fun. So please enjoy. First, we're going to start with our paper facing upwards. That is vertical, not horizontal. Vertical. We'll take your pen and we're going to start by drawing a line like this, a curved line at the bottom, not too far at the bottom. Give some space at the bottom of your paper, so about here, and it's going to be a big curved line like this. Cool. Now the next step is you're going to put your pen down here at the first spot of your curved line, and you're going to draw a straight line up. You can use a ruler if you want, but you don't have to. Follow me. Quite a long line. Now we're going to draw the same line on this side, except we're going to leave some spaces clear, like this. Stop. Short line. This is where the handle is going to be of your cup, your mug. Okay, so now we give some space and we draw another line going up. A little bit longer this time. Now we stop again. We keep some space, the same space as before, and we start up here again. Now you're going up just a little bit, just to that point, to make it the same height as this line. Okay. Next, we're going to connect this line with a big curved line. And the curved line with the cup is going to go up a little bit on the top and come down this way. Okay, almost like an ear. So follow me, everybody. Nice. When you have done this, we're going to copy this line and we're going to connect this line with this one, like this. Keeping the same distance about on this side as this side and this side. Okay. Next. Now we're going to draw the same curved line as we did here before, from this side to this side, except we're going to leave a little bit of space so that you can see the rim of the cup. So we're going to start here. Boop, put your pen there. And we're going to copy this line now, all the way until here. Keep some space. Boop, like this. Okay, this is a very big looking cup. Now, if it's a hot chocolate, what do we like to put in hot chocolate? Have you ever had marshmallows in your chocolate? Let's try that out. Okay, I'm going to put a marshmallow, maybe even 2 marshmallows in my hot chocolate. So I'm going to draw an oval shape going this way, like this. Okay. Now, because the marshmallow is drifting inside of the hot chocolate, we have to make it look like it's in the hot chocolate, like this. So we're going to make a short line going this way, and a longer one going to the same spot on this side. Look at that. A little bit more. There. Now it's in the same line. And now to make it look round and like it's inside the hot chocolate, we're going to make a curved line starting from here and going this way like this. There we go. Okay. Now I want to put another one in. So I'm going to make an oval shape going this way. This time the marshmallow is going to be a bit deeper. So I'm going to do this. Excellent. Next. See, now this marshmallow is pointing down this way more. So this time I'm going to make a shorter line on this side. There we go. Now, like I did here before, we're going to make another curved line on this one too. There we go. Now it looks like the marshmallows are dipped inside of the hot chocolate. Okay, now we can complete this line as it goes all the way around. So follow me, everybody. Now it's behind the marshmallows. You must find the same spot here. You can measure it with your hand, your pencil, or your ruler, but from that spot to that spot must be in the same line. I usually just do this with my pen, and then I know where to go. So now I'm going to do it here. So I'm going to complete this line and bring it around up there. Okay. Now we got the hot chocolate and the marshmallows. But now we want it to look like it's inside the cup, not on top of the cup. Okay? So starting from here, I'm going to make a small curved line coming up here and starting to round out and follow this line like this. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Okay. Now we can complete this line. We can make a long curved line going around and ending up here. Follow me, everybody. Accidentally dipped in a little bit, but that's okay. You can fix it if you want using your pencil or your eraser. I'm using ink this time, so I'd have to use a Tipp-Ex or something, but that's okay. It's always okay to make mistakes. It's part of art, and it makes your art look more unique. Okay. Now I want this handle to look more like it's on the cup, or not just on the side of the cup, but it must look like it's made onto the cup. Okay, so I'm going to make a small curved line like this, and a small one on top here. That way it looks like the handle of the mug is built onto here, but kind of part of the mug. And we're going to do the same here. There we go. And that's enough. Now, one thing about hot chocolate is it's hot. So let's make some nice curvy lines, but we're going to make them very slow. And this way to that way, like a wave. We're going to start with one big one in the middle. Just like that. Now, following the same pattern as this one before, we're going to make another line. But this one is going to be starting here, so it gives you the effect that it's coming out of the mug. Okay. Next. We're going to make a small one on this side, like this. See, I'm always following the original line. And I'm going to make another one here, but still following the same pattern as there. And then maybe another one here. Let's add another one in here. And some more here. There we go. Now, I think our hot chocolate is starting to look very, very delicious. Maybe let's give it a bit of a background, like a table. So we're going to do a straight line from this side of the paper all the way to this side, behind the cup. So start here. Now measure where it's going to come out on the other side. Okay, cool. Maybe let's give some shadow to the cup. That gives it more of a 3D form, a shape. Okay, the way I like to do shading, and you can do all different kinds of techniques, but one technique is line work. That's the one that I use the most. So we're going to make a long line going up, not touching the bottom or the side. We're going all the way up. Stop there. And now we're going to make more lines, but every next line is going to be a bit shorter. Cool. Now we need some here underneath the handle too. And you should always follow the shape of the object that you're giving shade to. So if the handle looks like this, we're going to make a line going like this. Okay, let's give some more here. Okay, and now we want to give some shadow underneath the cup, or next to the cup, so that it looks like it's standing on the table. Now, to give a flat effect of the table, the lines are going to change direction. They're going to go this way. Okay, so now we're going to start here. Jip, 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 jip. There we go. Now it's kind of standing. And now let's give some shadow to the marshmallows too. We'll do the same like we did on the mug. This time on a different angle. Zip, 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 zip. And this side too. Zip, 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 zip. Okay, looking really nice. Let's give it some ripples, some waves. Tiny little waves, they're called ripples, in the cup. It always makes it look like your object is in a liquid. So we're going to just follow the shape of the marshmallow in the hot chocolate, like this. And then another one here. Always give some space in between them, like that. Let's make more here. There we go. Now it really looks like it's floating. Okay, it's looking really, really nice. I'm going to give a few little lines here too. And on this side too. There we go. Now it's looking awesome. Let's give our hot chocolate some color. I'm going to use a nice dark brown, but I'm going to draw very lightly in the beginning. I'm going to color in the hot chocolate. I'm holding the pencil at an angle so that it doesn't make hard lines on the paper. It's very smooth and it blends in with each other, with itself. Okay. Now I'm going to give some color to my table. I'm going to make it a blue table. So now it's a large space that I want to color in, but I'm going to color it in a circular kind of shape around like this. Because it's such a large area, surface area, I'm going to hold the pencil almost completely at an angle like this. And I'm drawing with this whole side. You can make corrections afterwards. No problem. Going to give some more color underneath the cup to add to that shading. There we go. To give some color to our marshmallows, maybe let's make one pink. Give more shading on this side because it's out of the light. Now I want this one to be white, but it looks a bit too white for me. So I'm going to very lightly use some yellow to give some shading to the marshmallow. Very, very light. And on this side a little bit there. There we go. Okay, there you have your hot chocolate. You can add more shading to the mug itself using a pencil maybe, or a gray if you have, but it's not very necessary. It already has shading and it looks good. I hope you enjoyed today's quick art class, and I would love to see your results. You can send them to me or ask your teacher or your tutor to send them to me. Thank you very much. I wish you a very, very beautiful day. Goodbye.